Hello everyone, welcome to our first Thai lesson. Today, we will learn the most important words in Thai. First, let's learn how to say hello and goodbye. In Thai, we use the same word. The word is สวัสดี But wait, in Thai, we have polite particles to make the sentence sound polite and friendly. If you are male, you must end with khrap. If you are female, you must end with ka. So if you are a man, you say สวัสดีครับ Try to make the khrap sound short and sharp. If you are a woman, you say สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ
After hello, we ask how are you? We say สบายดีไหมคะ สบายดี means fine or well. But if you're not well, you can say ไม่สบาย
สบายดีไหมครับ
สบายดีค่ะ
And then you must ask them back. And you? We say แล้วคุณล่ะ แล้ว means and or then. คุณ means you. ละ is a particle used to ask back. แล้วคุณล่ะ Now, let's learn how to ask for a name. We say คุณชื่ออะไร คุณ means you. ชื่อ means name. อะไร means what. What is your name? คุณชื่ออะไร To answer my name is, it's different for men and women again. If you are male, you say ผม for I. If you're female, you say ฉัน for I. ฉันชื่อแนนค่ะ Here's a quick recap of what we learned in today's class. So far, we've learned some essential Thai greetings and introductions. สวัสดี สบายดีไหม สบายดี ไม่สบาย แล้วคุณล่ะ คุณชื่ออะไร ฉันชื่อ Don't forget this crucial rule. Men say ครับ and women say ค่ะ at the end of their sentences to show politeness. Okay, I think that's enough for today's class. It's important that you remember these phrases first before we move on to the next lesson. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on our future lessons. Plus, if you have any questions, drop them in a comment section. See you again soon. สวัสดีค่ะ